Aloha everyone and welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're safe and sound and that you're ready for today's project. The project is designed by J.D.Lenzen from Tie It All Up Together, and we're gonna need the gold paracord 2 strands and 1 blue strand. The full dimension of the cords we are using in this and every other paracord tutorial or project you have in the description down below, so go ahead and check it out. The important thing is that when I'm using these cords, when I finish the project, I measure it and then insert or entered or input the right size or the right measurements, length, etc. of the cords of the current project. So go ahead and check the description down below. You also can find the tutorial how to create this awesome paracord bracelet in the top right corner of this video in the cards or in any other tutorial. So that being said, let's continue. We're gonna use first to create the bracelet base the shorter end of a cord. This will be the shorter one and this will be the longer one. So we're gonna take and create the crossing with the shorter one, and with the longer one we're gonna insert it from the back and around. Let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see what are we doing. And now around and through, so we are creating the basic cow's hitches on the bracelet without a buckle. So we're gonna rearrange a bit and you can turn it and see the cow's hitches. So now we're gonna insert also the blue cord, and we're gonna do it simply just loose a bit these cow's hitches, so you'll have the 2 loops here, and we'll pass the blue one through it. So here, take the ends of a cord like this and pull it to find the center. Now when we find the center, lock it on place like so, and you're now ready to create today's project. So from here we're gonna simply start making our weaves or knots as you wish. So this gold cord on the side here will be our bracelet base, so we're gonna take it under those inner center cords and we're gonna cross it between them like so. Now we're gonna take this blue one and we're gonna insert it here on top of the bracelet base or those 2 shorter cords of gold, and we're gonna make it around and through the loop from the back side like so. Now we're gonna make the gold cord on top of the blue one as you can see, and we're gonna go around also from the back through the loop, and we finished our first weave. Now we're gonna do the same on the left side. So with the blue cord on top, around from the back through the loop, and with the gold cord on top of the blue, around from the back and through the loop. Now pull it all up together to tighten it all up, cinch it, and continue. So now from here we're gonna do the same with our bracelet base. So we're gonna, let me just transfer the cords around. So we're gonna create again the crossing like so, and then we're gonna take the blue paracord and we're gonna create the pass again around from the back through the loop on the right side as you can see here, and with the gold on top of the blue. Sorry about this mess. So the gold on top of the blue like so, around and from the back through. Now again, blue around from the back, and the gold on top of the blue to the center, around and from the back through. Again, tighten it all up. And here we're gonna create the diamond stop knot, but first we need to tie these ends here. So we're gonna create the cobra knot on top of it, around and through. So now from here we're gonna take and cut off the excess of our cords here. So here we are finished. Today's project is done. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and hit that bell button so you'll stay in touch. Whenever we post the new content, you'll be notified. Until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya, bye.